Apple's secret self-driving car project just got its clearest confirmation yet, and it came from Airbnb. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. No one would have seen this coming. Airbnb's internal memo announcing Ahmad Al-Dahle as its new CTO revealed that he created and led Apple's autonomous technology group back in 2014, developing the core AI systems for the tech giant's mysterious self-driving car project. Although Apple has never publicly acknowledged the project, but this is the most solid evidence that the iCar project actually existed. Al-Dahle's resume is a tech blockbuster. He first joined Apple before the first iPhone shipped, helped in building multi-touch displays and Apple Watch, and eventually led Apple's autonomous systems work before moving to Meta to focus on AI. This revelation by Airbnb is telling how tightly Apple keeps secrets, like entire projects can quietly live or die inside Cupertino without a word. But since this was from a decade ago, looks like Apple has put it aside to focus on scalable projects and making Siri great again with Gemini AI. For Airbnb, hiring Al-Dahle can be big for AI. Companies already rolled out AI-powered recommendations and customer service tools. So while Airbnb isn't making self-driving cars, it sure is getting full benefit of Apple's secret tech legacy. How cool would an iCar would have been if it was actually launched? Would you have cared for a test drive? Let us know in the comments. Like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Hey tech fans! Apple Vision Pro 2 is coming with a beefy M4 or M5 chip and a game-changing head strap. Ready for next-level spatial computing? Stick with GadInsider to find out what's new. What's good, GadInsider crew? Apple's Vision Pro blew us away in 2024, but its sequel, Vision Pro 2, is rumored to take things up a notch with better performance and comfort. Let's dive into the leaks. The big buzz is about the chip. The original Vision Pro rocked an M2, but Vision Pro 2 might pack an M4 or even the unreleased M5 chip. Reports are mixed, but either way, expect a massive performance boost, especially for AI tasks. Apple's testing a souped-up neural engine with more than current 16 cores, making real-time rendering of virtual environments smoother and faster. Whether it's M4 or M5, this headset's ready to handle next-gen spatial computing like a champ. One of the biggest gripes about the Vision Pro? It's heavy, about 1.4 pounds. That weight can strain your neck during long sessions. Apple's tackling this with a redesigned head strap for Vision Pro 2 aimed at cutting down head pain and neck strain. While the headset's core design and weight might stay the same, this new strap could be a game changer for comfort. Even better, rumors suggest it might be sold separately, so original Vision Pro owners can upgrade without buying a whole new headset. Vision Pro 2 is shaping up as a spec-focused refresh, keeping the sleek design and $3,500 price tag of the original. The focus is on performance and comfort, not a full redesign. That beefier neural engine will supercharge AI features like eye tracking and persona rendering, making immersive experiences feel more seamless. While it might not tempt current owners to upgrade, it is a solid step forward for Apple's spatial computing vision, especially for new buyers or developers. Apple's expected to drop Vision Pro 2 later this year, possibly alongside new M5 MacBook Pros or the iPhone 17 in September. This isn't a full-blown second-gen overhaul. Think of it as a polished version of the original, setting the stage for a lighter, cheaper model in 2027. For now, Vision Pro 2 is all about power and comfort, keeping Apple ahead in the mixed reality game. That's the scoop on Apple Vision Pro 2. Are you hyped for the M4, M5 upgrade, or that comfier strap? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Still eyeing the Apple Pencil Gen 1 in 2025. It's super affordable, but is it actually worth your money today? In the next 5 minutes, we'll break down why this classic stylus might or might not be a smart buy for you. Let's find out. What's up? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today, we're tackling a big question. Is the Apple Pencil Gen 1 still a good deal in 2025? With newer models like the Pencil Pro and USB-C out there, this first-gen stylus is dirt cheap. But does it hold up? We'll cover compatibility, features, limitations, and who it's best for. Stick around. First, let's talk compatibility. The Apple Pencil Gen 1 works with older iPads like the iPad 6th to 9th Gen, iPad Air 3, and iPad Pro models from 2015 to 2017. If you got a newer iPad like the M3 Air or iPad Mini 7, you're out of luck. It only supports the Pencil 2 or Pro. Check your iPad model before buying. Good news, if your iPad's compatible, pairing is a breeze via Lightning connector, and it's still buttery smooth for drawing and note-taking. Next, what makes it great? The Apple Pencil Gen 1 has a low-latency, precise tip that feels like a real pen, perfect for artists, students, or anyone jotting notes. It's pressure-sensitive, so your lines get thicker or thinner based on how hard you press, which is awesome for sketching. At $99 retail, or as low as $50 used, it's a steal compared to the $129 Pencil Pro. Plus, it's got solid battery life, lasting about 12 hours per charge. Now the drawbacks. The Gen 1's design is dated. Charging it via your iPad's Lightning port or an adapter is clunky. No magnetic charging like newer models. It also lacks features like double tap to switch tools or the hover function on the Pencil Pro. And that glossy finish, it's a fingerprint magnet. If you're a pro artist needing advanced features, you might feel limited. Also, Apple's phasing it out, so repairs or replacements can be tricky down the line. So who should buy it? The Apple Pencil Gen 1 is perfect for budget-conscious users with compatible iPads, students taking notes, casual artists, or anyone dipping their toes into digital drawing would love its precision and price. If you don't need the fancy extras of newer models and your iPad's a match, it's a no-brainer. But if you've got a newer iPad or need pro-level features, save up for the Pencil 2 or Pro. Let's talk value. In 2025, you can snag a used or refurbished Gen 1 for $50 to $70. Way cheaper than the $99 USB-C pencil, which lacks pressure sensitivity. Third-party styluses like the Logitech Crayon are options, but they often feel less precise. If you're on a tight budget and want Apple's quality, the Gen 1's hard to beat. Just watch out for fakes when buying secondhand. Alright, verdict time. The Apple Pencil Gen 1 is still a smart buy in 2025 if you've got a compatible iPad and don't need the latest bells and whistles. It's affordable, precise, and gets the job done for most users. But if you're on a newer iPad or chasing pro features, look at the newer models. Weigh your needs and budget, and you'll make the right call. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more honest tech reviews. Drop a comment. Do you still use the Apple Pencil Gen 1, or are you upgrading? Hey tech fans! Apple's dropping something huge in Detroit, a manufacturing academy that's set to revolutionize American innovation. Want to know how it's empowering businesses with AI and smart tech? Stick with GadInsider to find out. What's up, GadInsider crew? Apple's making waves with a brand new manufacturing academy launching in Detroit on August 19th. From AI-powered training to game-changing consulting, this is big news for U.S. businesses. Let's dive in. Apple's teaming up with Michigan State University to launch the Apple Manufacturing Academy in Detroit. Starting August 19, this academy will offer free training courses for small and medium-sized businesses. We're talking cutting-edge stuff like AI, data analytics, and smart manufacturing techniques. Apple's Chief Operating Officer Sabi Khan said it best: advanced manufacturing is vital to American innovation. This academy is all about helping companies level up and stay competitive. So what's the deal? Apple's experts are leading workshops on automation, machine learning, deep learning, and more. Whether you're a startup or an established business, you'll get hands-on tips to optimize your operations. Plus, Apple engineers are offering in-person and virtual consulting to streamline supply chains and boost productivity. Later in 2025, the Academy will roll out virtual programs with a skills curriculum covering project management and manufacturing process optimization. This is next-level support for American businesses. This isn't just about one academy. It's part of Apple's massive $500 billion four-year commitment to U.S. innovation. With suppliers in all 50 states, Apple's doubling down on advanced manufacturing to keep America leading the tech game. While high labor costs mean Apple's own production might not shift much, this program's a win for small and medium businesses looking to innovate and grow. The Apple Manufacturing Academy kicks off August 19th in Detroit, with virtual programs coming later this year. This is a huge step for U.S. manufacturing and innovation. Want to learn more about how Apple's shaping the future? Stay tuned with GadInsider for the latest tech updates. That's the scoop on Apple's Manufacturing Academy. Are you excited for this boost to U.S. innovation? Drop a comment below.